Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on Robinhood. The first step is to gather required documents. So you're going to need a government issued identification card. That could be a driver's license, state ID, or a passport. You're also going to need social security number or your individual taxpayer identification number for tax reporting purposes. You're also going to need a proof of address. So you're going to need a utility bill, lease agreements, or bank statements to confirm your address. Now, the step 2 is to start the verification process. Just open the Robinhood app on your mobile device and then tap accounts in the bottom navigation bar, and then you want to tap settings. That's in the top right corner of the screen, and then just tap identity verification and select verify identity. Now, the third step is to upload identification documents. You want to take a clear photo of your government issued identification card and then upload the photo to Robinhood secure server, and then you want to enter your social security number or your individual taxpayer identification number for tax reporting purposes. You also want to confirm your identity. That's the fourth step. So you want to answer security questions to verify your identity, and then review and confirm your identity information. Now, the fifth step is to wait for verification. So Robinhood is going to review your identification documents, and this verification typically takes a few minutes to a few hours. So you just gotta wait it out, and yeah, that's gonna help you to verify your identity. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to verify your identity on Robinhood. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.